Hey everybody, we're back today. Now we're working on the bullnose project, and I want to show you what we're doing. We're just doing a little bit of cleanup of the interior. Then we're going to start installing some of the new stuff that we've got. So I'll show you what the wife has been doing. All right.
Hi everybody. Well, I just got started cleaning in here. I've done the whole dash and the front of the dash and the steering wheel. I did this visor. I've done all the vinyl back here, and I'm just starting on this bench here. So, oh, it's cleaning up quite nice. A lot of dust and dander in here, but we'll get it all cleaned up for sure.
What a great day too. I mean, it's cloudy, it's starting to sprinkle on us a little, which is actually pretty nice. Yesterday we were really hot, so yeah, that looks really nice. It's nice and cleaned up, man. Good job.
Thanks, babe.
Okay.
So we're going to tackle these door panels today, it looks like. These things are really gross. So I just have some cleaner here, and we're going to lightly sand this, see what we can get off of here without putting too much harsh chemicals on here. And we got a trick we're going to use to bring the plastic back to life.
We're going to try and save them before we have to buy new ones. Let's see what we can do. I mean, it's an 86, so obviously it's had a lot of sun exposure, because that's what rots these upper door panels. The sun peeking in on them. I mean, yeah. And see, the funny thing is, these elastics, of course, over time wear out. We're going to try and do something to kind of pull them in. We could also pull them off just completely. We did that on our last bullnose, and it's a nice blue metal under there, so we could do that. And we got the repair kit for that door lock. I got to pull these door panels off, and it fell down inside, so you can't lock the door from this side. That's really, really porous. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's bad. Very, very porous. See what happens when we do our little trick to it.
Wow, this blue is going to be beautiful. Come get a close of this. Well, look between here and here.
Oh
How
wow,
nice.
Look how different that is.
Yeah, when we get this all cleaned up.
Gosh
Wow.
dang, that is a pretty blue. And that is what this is supposed to look like all down this side of this truck. So when we wet sand it, hopefully it'll bring it back to life. We'll clear coat it. And you got this door panel.
This door panel all done. I'm ready. Go.
Let's see. Let's check it out.
I was just gonna go over it with some water real quick, get any residue off. Yep, these are all ready.
Nice. What are you gonna do with all this? Those are some little gifts that were left for us.
Yeah. Well, we gotta clean that out. I haven't touched down there.
Okay.
I just did the panels.
Perfect.
I haven't done the carpet or anything, just the panels.
That's a good one. Good job. All right, everybody. Well, here's the secret. We're gonna try this. You're gonna see it real time. See if anything happens with this stuff, if we can bring it back. We did it on our other bullnose project, and it saved those door panels. It looked really nice. It's chancy. We got to be careful around the vinyl stuff. You don't want to melt it, but you're going to use a heat gun, and we're going to wave it real short in short strokes and bring that plastic back. So zoom in, check it out. Well, after some trials, we got that door looking quite a bit better. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's no longer crusty and faded like it was. We just used a heat gun, this little guy, and you just got to carefully go back side to side until it starts to bring out the color, but you got to be careful that you don't melt the door panels away. We did some down here on the lower piece, and as we apply some some Armor All, hopefully it'll help even it out, but that's about as good as we could get it for now. We'll go ahead and try this next door and see if we can get that one cleaned up a little better. Next thing we're gonna do is work on this pocket. As you guys can see, it was just falling away. So we are gonna sew. This is a rubber band that over the years has lost its elasticity. It's just a rope now. So we are gonna sew it so that it pulls nice and tight. And then it'll keep it from flopping open. So we're gonna start with that. Well, there's the first door. Now it's nice and tight. That's not floppy. Floppy. You know what I mean? Floppy. All right. I guess we'll do the other side too, right? I mean, it's the right thing to do. So. All right, well, that's gonna have to be good enough. We are at the point that we are gonna try to replace these, get these visor rods installed so these visors aren't all floppy. So let's see what we can do. There's that guy. He's got a little nick in it. See if we can glue that down. Then we'll pull these out. Pull that one off. And I'll let you see how it turned out. All right. Got that guy out. Let's see what this one looks like going in. That's perfect. I like it. We'll do the other side. That's it. Just got those installed. Now they're not floppy anymore. They're hanging up there nice and tight. All right, this is the next thing. We're gonna put this dash mat on. See how this turns out. Want to try and protect that dash a little bit. I mean, it's already pretty old and crusty, but we're gonna see what happens here. Looks like it's coming with some instructions, some Velcro. And we'll lay it across here and see how it lines up with stuff. First, get the first look at it. And then we'll go through and button it up. That'll look good. Well, we're all done. Got that new dash mat put on. Kind of put some lipstick on the pig. So, definitely looks a lot better. Cleaning it up. Still got to do the carpet cleaning, but nice and vacuumed anyway. But it's coming around. All right, guys, we're gonna do this little quick walkthrough. Got the doors cleaned up, dash mat, got the visors fixed. They're no longer floppy. Nice new chrome ones. Just vacuumed and cleaned out really good. We'll be doing the carpet cleaning soon. Figure out this seat. We're probably gonna have to get a new seat cover. But yeah, I mean, this is looking really clean. I like it. It's coming together. All right, everybody. That's it for today. It's been kind of a long day. And yesterday was a really long day working on the old 67. But today we spent time with this guy and got some good stuff done on it. Good cleaning. Replaced a few things, fixed the window lock, cleaned up the doors, vacuumed, cleaned up the door panels, fixed the visors, put the new dash mat on. So it's coming together. We got those new hubcaps on yesterday. Now we got to get some carpet cleaning done and figure out that seat cover. And then it'll be wet sand and clear coat time. And this truck's gonna look really, really good. It's gonna look so different. So stick around, like and subscribe, and follow the progress on our trucks. We'll see you guys on the next one.